good balanced when it comes to that. Apex. Let's mount the flash bar. Well, that's gonna be a big issue. So who we got here? We got Anthony. Yep. Hi Anthony.
What's going on?
What's going on, man?
Picking it up late at night.
Hell yeah.
Apex Engineered Bachelor right there.
Yeah, we'll definitely edit the video.
We upgraded these. Oh, this isn't my other car. My other car, we had one here. So we upgraded that, and then we slotted these. So it helps with fitment a little bit.
Nice. Good morning. Got my bash bar. We're gonna put it on today. See how everything fits and if it clears the intercooler. So let's get it going. This bash bar is pretty well balanced. It sits on the puck, so it's pretty darn good balanced when it comes to that. Apex Engineered. Looks like the tubing is pretty thick. Hopefully you can take a beating. Nice mounting plates with some reinforcement right here on the sides. I've been told that's new, as you guys seen in the video. And it's new over here on that side as well, obviously. Well, let's see how it... So, bash bar install. Bash bar install should be typically a easy thing to do. Simply you have to remove 4 bolts located right here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Apparently mine are all over the place and I think I lost one. Oh fuck. That's not good. Well, I figured it out. The only issue I have is just because the intercooler is so close to the bolts right there. That might be a quite challenging thing to do. But let's get those things off and mount the bash bar. And then I'm gonna have to figure out how the hell am I going to attach the bumper so it sits with the bash bar. Because usually what I do is I bolt down the bumper using those points right here. I don't know. Let's see what happens. So in order for the bash bar to fit like this, like it's supposed to be, give or take, I have to modify my intercooler mounting. I have to reduce that space over here. So I gotta undo it, drill new holes in my bracket, in my custom brackets, and try to remount it because, as we can see over here actually, this is where the bash bar would be touching, like hardcore touching. Okay, so what we have, obviously there's no way I can get a nut on top of that bolt over there. There's just no possible way. This one would interfere, so I had to chop it off, which is kind of shitty, but got no choice. So on this side it's mounted with 2. On this side, chopped off 1 because it would interfere. The other one spacing is a little bit different as far as the intercooler goes, so I got that on. And those over here, very extremely close between the intercooler and the bar itself. I did not like that, so I put this piece of foam that I had, hoping that it's not gonna destroy the intercooler, even though when I was originally had it mounted, I still had to redo my mounting holes, so I moved them about 1 centimeter backwards to bring the intercooler closer into the engine, to the front. So as a final verdict, yes, it is really nice and straight. It seems like it's really strong. Obviously it's really heavy, so that means it's made out of good materials, good steel. Seems tough. Hopefully it will take a beating, or hopefully it will never be used to take a beating. So now I'm gonna mount the intercooler back because everything is still loose. I didn't tighten anything. Yes, it is a pain in the ass to put on if you have a big ass front mount intercooler. So if you have a smaller one, probably not a big deal, but the big one, it is a big deal. And then we'll eventually test it out with a jack, see how the car goes up when you jack it up. So here is the Apex Engineered Bash Bar, which actually bumper sits on it pretty nicely. So that's what it is. We'll give it some tests very soon. So I decided, you know what, I'm gonna test this a little further as far as the bash bar install and everything, see how tough it is and if it actually supports the weight of anything. So I'm like, you know what, I weigh about 160 or so. Let's give it a shot. Why not?